Hey queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So today I will be doing a DIY apartment friendly mirror backsplash where I'll be using some items that I got from Amazon and some actually Dollar Tree items too as well. So if you guys would like to see how I came up with this backsplash or how I created it, why don't you queens and kings please continue to watch. Right, queens and kings, so here is my kitchen, and if you're not friendly with my second channel, which is my home decor channel, I am actually doing like a series over there where I am spring cleaning. So this is a clip from my kitchen because I'm actually going to be doing a reveal of the whole entire kitchen. So go ahead and subscribe to that channel now, as you all can see. But anyways, we're going to actually get ready to go ahead and do this friendly apartment friendly backsplash. So here are the items I'm pretty much going to be using. Foam boards from the Dollar Tree, some mirror paper from Amazon, as well as some mirrors from Amazon as well. Thumbtacks, hot glue. We're going to need a pair of scissors as well as a razor or X-Acto knife. Whatever your choice is. I am using Gorilla Glue sticks as well. So, like I said, these are all the items that I have got, and most of them are from Amazon. All the mirror items are from Amazon except for one, which I'll show you guys later in the video that I do not have here. But the other items are from Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is use one of the mirrors. This is actually a real mirror here that I'm using as a template to trace out the foam board that I got from Dollar Tree. Now you can do as many as possible that you think you may need, but I was doing them as I go, which you guys will see in a minute. The reason why I said I was doing them as I go. But using my razor to outline it and trace it, score it, and then come back and cut the whole entire foam board. So therefore I can make several cuts like this, as you all can see. Now moving on, we're going to actually use this faux mirror paper, that contact paper, I believe that's what it is, from Amazon. I have used this several times. You guys seen that I used it in the bathroom for to do the faux vanity. Girl, okay, get it together, queen, get it together. But yes, you guys seen me use this paper before, so now I'm using it again to make me some actually mirror backsplash. I'm quite sure you guys have seen where there are a lot of these homes actually have the all mirror backsplash. Honey, that's what I'm going for in this actually apartment until God bless me with my home. Claim it, receive it. Yes, amen, amen. So anyways, I'm basically cutting down the sizes that I want, but I'm actually cutting off extra as well, so therefore I can overlap it so it can cover the whole, not the whole entire foam board, but just enough so therefore it can secure it and doesn't move or anything like that. So once I get my slips and cuts and everything down to size how I want it, I'm going to actually cut this mirror paper into two once again, because each time I have cut a pre-slab or tile that you want to call it, I need to cut the paper in half so I can have enough for each one, and like I said, to overlap, which is basically what I'm explaining, and you guys see it right here at this moment here. So try to center the foam board as best as possible in the middle of the mirror paper so you don't have a short amount like I did there, just so you can have an equal amount, so therefore you can actually go ahead and cover the whole entire slab. Sorry about that, Andre stepped in, but as you all can see, the mirror paper actually have a clear foam or whatever plastic over to protect it and everything. So you want to make sure that you move that off before you actually secure the ends, as you all see that I have just done. And I'm just going to clip that so therefore that don't stick out or anything. So this is what I mean of what it looked like. I have already went ahead and started and doing it because this here was actually a 2-day process because I'm doing other things. Like I said, I was doing spring cleaning. Well, I am doing spring cleaning over there at Queen Val Living. So if you have not seen it, that channel over there, and catch up on the series that I got going on, baby, run over there and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. So this took a few days, but anyways, here I'm basically showing you guys, you see the plug and everything, the sockets. I did order some mirrors sockets, but they did not come in time before this video come out, but hopefully they'll be in by the time you guys, if you're going over there to Queen Valley Living, you'll see the whole entire thing. If not, just stay over there, you'll eventually see it. Okay, but anyway, so now let's move on. Now, how I'm basically securing the backsplash to the wall is basically I use another foam board, but well, it's not a foam board. Well, it is a foam board, but it's the thinnest one that Dollar Tree have. So I'm using thumbtack to secure that on the wall to protect the wall. So therefore, when I get ready to move, honey, I can just snatch all this off with a blank of it and no damage done to the wall. Okay, so now with the mirrors slabs that you all see here, I think I'm not even sure how many come in a box, but I purchased these from Amazon and they had quite a few, probably about 30 or 40, probably about 40 of them came there. But as you all see, the backup had a peel and stick, so therefore I could remove the red protector and stick it to the wall. But I only just did the sides, which you seen in the beginning, just one side of the rear mirror on each side of it. So therefore, because I want to reuse these, so I didn't take the whole entire paper off. So when I do move into my home, I'm going to be using these in there. Okay, so you want to go ahead and subscribe, okay, because the Lord is making things happen over here. But yes, so once again, as you all see, I do the little side and I fold it down, but I also put some glue on it just to help secure it some more. That's because I have already used these once, so and I had to pull them up off the wall because I didn't like the way that it was looking. So therefore, that's why I added glue. But like I said, I will be reusing these, so that's why I didn't take the whole full protector off the back of, because they are self-adhesive, you know, peel and stick pretty much. Now the ones that I made myself, I have to glue those onto the wall, so therefore that's why I put that foam board to help protect the wall so there will be no damage. Now as you all see here, this is the other foam board that I was talking about, and I'm using thumbtacks. Now these are a little hard to do. If the wall is not soft enough, they're going to break and bend unless you go get some from another store and you'll be able to use them. But anyway, so this is where I run into my trouble area at. Anytime it came down to the plug, it became trouble. But this is basically what I'm showing you all, that I'm going to use the faux ones to actually trace and outline around the plug and everything. So it didn't stay in the pattern of mirror, faux mirror, mirror, faux mirror. It didn't stay in there. Once it got up under the cabinets on each side, that pattern went out the window. But I just made it do what it do. And by my kitchen ain't but so big, so you really don't get to see all of that. But yeah, so I'm just basically measuring, cutting down to size with my box cutter, and I'm just gonna glue those on there. I was so happy to take that little break, a moment of peace, because I didn't have to talk too much. But anyway, so now this is the portion where Dollar Tree mirrors come in handy, because these mirror here are actually, remember Dollar Tree had a mirror picture frames? I basically just broke those down, and I had more mirrors extra. So good thing that I had those, because I'll be able to use them up under the bottom to seal everything. That's basically what I'm gonna do, the long ones as well as the short ones. And all I'm gonna do is just place hot glue on the back of these and glue them right on top of that foam board that I had already put down with the thumbtacks. All right, Queens and Keys. So here is the backsplash, how it all look. I actually was doubting myself about this idea because I've been wanting to do it for the longest, but I was so afraid of the faux mirrors. But mixed in with the real mirrors, it looks so good for a apartment. Now, I wouldn't say probably do it in your home because the real mirrors just make it over the top though. So go with the real mirror. But I hope you Queens and Kings enjoy this rental friendly mirror backsplash hack. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And this queen will talk to you all in the next video. You Queens and Kings continue to be royal, and remember, your crown may tilt, but a damn sure won't fall. Bye bye.